Hello everyone, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. In our urea granulation plant, there is secondary air blower unit. By this blower unit, necessary atomization air is delivered into the granulator chamber. To control the necessary airflow, a DC drive actuator unit is attached with the blower damper. This damper opening and closing is maintained automatically by DCS, that means distributed control system control signal. By this damper position, airflow as well as air pressure is maintained. Few days ago, due to some reason, we checked our damper unit which is not controlling properly. We saw that due to water leakage, some water passes into the driver unit. As the driver unit is electrical component, so we disconnect its power supply and then try to dismantle the unit. We saw that there is some dirty particle. We opened its cover carbon unit and then we saw some dust particle is inside the stator as well as on the rotor. Initially we cleaned the dust particle, then after we cleaned the motor and stator, that means its rotor unit and stator unit, by spraying some liquid cleaning solution. After checking and cleaning, we heat up this unit into our heat controlled chamber. When its cleaning is completed, then again we connect its different parts, that means we connect the DC drive unit completely, and then after finally we checked the DC drive unit is running or working properly or not by applying DC supply voltage. This is our first time to dismantle the DC drive actuator unit, so we took necessary precaution to open or to dismantle this unit. There were some screw and Allen key bolts. We opened these bolts very cautiously, and after opening its top cover we saw the bearing which is okay or not. We saw that the bearing unit is okay, and beside the stator unit there is some dust particle. We cleaned this dust and like mud, and also we opened its cover from its back side, and there we cleaned its different inside parts very cautiously, and into the heat chamber we also controlled our heating value, that means temperature, and after completing again we connect this actuator part, that means mechanical controlling part, with the DC drive unit, and we connected and we closed the bolts rightly, and we positioned its mechanical actuator drive unit with the motor drive bar properly. Also there is speed control unit. At the time of controlling we measured the voltage. The voltage is likely 3 to 4 volts DC. When the voltage is lower value, then the motor run very slowly, and if this voltage is somewhat higher value, then it rotate some speedy. Also By applying the DC voltage, we followed its rotating direction and the opening actuator or not. Again, there is another connection. We interchange the DC voltage and followed that the motor is rotating its clockwise and anti-clockwise. That means when we applied the voltage, DC voltage in a direction, then it rotated clockwise and the damper is closed. And on the other hand, when we interchange this polarity, then the motor rotates another direction and the damper is opening. So this voltage interchanging works done by the DC driver controller unit, speed controller unit. As the everything is okay, and after we following the DC driver unit is working properly, then we connected this driver unit to our blower unit into the field, and after connecting this actuator unit from the HMI unit, we apply some voltage or some opening percentage. That means we command some opening value and followed that the damper unit is opening or not. On the other hand, we connected, after connecting this actuator, we apply some closing value, and also we found that the actuator is closing properly. And in this way we completed our maintenance works of the actuator. And with the actuator there is a resistor value. When the actuator rotates, then this potentiometer or the resistance value changes and the opening and closing value is changed. I think after watching this value who are firstly related to this maintenance work, also you can do this maintenance works like this. Thanks to all for watching this video.